Hello friends, today in this video we will learn 20 lines on rain. So let's start. Rain is water that falls from the sky. Rain fills our lakes, rivers and ponds. Rain helps plants grow and flourish. Rain brings life to dry and thirsty earth. Raindrops fall from clouds in the sky. Clouds are formed when water evaporates. Evaporation occurs when water heats up. Rain cools the earth and lowers temperature. Rainy days are perfect for staying indoors. Umbrellas and raincoats keep us dry. Rain makes puddles on the ground. We can hear the sound of raindrops falling. Rain helps wash away dirt and pollution. Rain fills groundwater, our hidden treasure. Rain is essential for agriculture. Farmers depend on rain for crops. Rainforests receive heavy rainfall annually. Rain affects the water cycle greatly. Rain can cause floods and landslides. Rain brings joy and relief to parched lands. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.